How to fix if your Android is running slow. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, head towards settings on your phone. Scroll down. Now open apps. Select app management and now select particular application which is creating the issues and making your phone running slow. Let's say for example Instagram. Go ahead and tap Storage Uses and tap Clear Cache. This was for the individual one. If all the application is creating the issue, you simply need to head towards the storage and select Cache Data and when prompted, confirm to clear it. This will remove temporary files and free up space which can help improve performance. Other thing you can do is simply you can update your apps and system. You need to simply go ahead and open Google Play Store. Make sure all your apps are up to date. Tap on search icon and you can search for a particular app, for example Messenger. If you see updates, select that and update it to the latest version. Further, you can go ahead and click on settings. Tap search icon. Now search for software update or simply update and you will get all the list of update including software update as well. Click on software update. Then you will land on the page where you can check if there are any system updates available. Updating both apps and the system can fix bugs and improve performance. If your phone is still running slow, a factory reset might help. Open settings again and click on search icon. Search for factory resets or simply resets. Scroll down and here you can simply tap on erase data. And now you can simply here erase all data, but before that, make sure that you have backed up your data and then you can factory reset your device. And now your issue of your Android running slow will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.